Have you ever noticed your dog wagging its tail and wondered what it really means? Is it always happiness or could it be saying something else? Dogs communicate a lot through their tails, and understanding the subtle signs can reveal their emotions, intentions, and even health. Today we'll uncover the hidden meanings behind your dog's tail wagging, so you can better understand your furry friend. First, a happy wag. When your dog's tail moves in a wide, relaxed arc, it usually means they're happy and comfortable. You'll often see this when they greet you after a long day or during playtime. Their tail is their way of showing excitement and joy. Second, a slow, low wag can indicate caution or uncertainty. Your dog might be feeling unsure about a new person, environment, or situation. It's their way of saying, "I'm curious, but I'm a little nervous." Third, a stiff high wag is often a sign of alertness or dominance. Dogs might display this when they're protecting their territory or asserting themselves. Pay attention to accompanying body language like raised ears or a tense posture. Fourth, a tail tucked between the legs is a clear sign of fear, stress, or submission. It communicates that your dog is feeling anxious or intimidated. It's important to respond with calm reassurance to help them feel safe. Fifth, circular wag or wagging while moving their rear often signals extreme excitement, playfulness, or friendliness. Many dogs do this when meeting friends or other pets. They're inviting interaction and fun. Sixth, tail wagging combined with other body signals. A wag with relaxed body usually means friendly intent, but a wag with stiff posture, growling, or bared teeth can indicate agitation. Dogs communicate through the entire body, not just the tail. Seventh, asymmetrical tail wagging. When dogs wag more to the right, it often indicates positive feelings. Observing your dog's tail direction can give you deeper insight into their mood. When wagging more to the left, it may indicate anxiety or negative emotions. Paying attention to subtle tail cues helps you understand your dog better. Finally, tail wagging is a powerful emotional language. By noticing the speed, height, and movement of your dog's tail, you'll understand if they're happy, stressed, cautious, or excited. Their wag is their way of saying, "I love you." Share your experiences in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more insights into your furry friends.